I mixed powdered milk with condensed milk, and I made the best dessert in the world. For this recipe, I'm going to add here a cup of powdered milk, my cup of 240 ml. I will also add 395 grams of condensed milk. And mix very well, and people are already commenting to me from which city you are watching us and how is the weather in your city. Weather is hot, weather is cold. Comment there for me, and I'll send a super special hug to all of you. I will now add 400 grams of milk cream. And mix very well, and this personal dessert is wonderful. I'm sure you all will love it because it's super easy to make and it's delicious. Now in another container I will add a packet of unflavored gelatin. 5 spoons of water. And I will mix it very well with a spoon. Then just put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. And put it in our recipe. And to make our dessert even better, I'm going to add 100 grams of cookie here. I'm breaking cookie like this and adding. And today, guys, I'm going to send a special big hug to 2 people who are always commenting on my videos. Big hugs to Mike Connors in Minnesota. And also for Darth Lean in Philippines. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. I will add our dessert in another container. Just tweak it here with the spatula. And put in the fridge for about 2 hours. Our dessert was ready and it was wonderful. I'm sure you all will love it, because it turned out very beautiful and very delicious. So, if you liked it, already share, and until next time.